Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unplanned nail set, and across the screen here you're going to see all the supplies that I'm going to be using today, so go ahead and screenshot these if you want to know what I've been using. Just very simple things you can find off of AliExpress and the rainforest store. If you know, you know. So I am going in with all the base coats from the brand Fusionist. I said this in my last video, I have no idea how it's pronounced, but you can find their products on AliExpress and the rainforest store. But these, I have like every single base coat that they have, but the sparkly pink one here is actually probably my favorite. It's the only base coat, rubber base coat that they sell that I know of that has this like sparkle finish to it, which I find really interesting because you can wear it on its own without like any sort of topper, but I have it down as a base layer for my pink polishes. So originally I didn't have a plan going in with the set. I wanted to just do some like pink fun. The idea I had in my head was originally pink soda. I just wanted something fun and like summery and pink is my favorite color, as you can tell by the background. But as I was pulling out all of my supplies during the planning stage, which was realistically just me going into my drawers and seeing what was in there, I remembered that I had recently watched, as most people have, the K-pop Demon Hunters Netflix movie, and instantly I was like, oh, the Soda Pop song. It just flashed into my head and I was like, it's very, very loosely based on that. Like, none of the colors are really representative of any of the characters of the Saja Boys or anything by any means. But I just thought it would be fun to just, I don't know, have a somewhat of a theme, but not really a theme. And also, I haven't done any sets or anything using these Born Pretty cat eye polishes, and I really wanted to do something with them. And I just think they just work so beautifully. They give off some really, really nice finishes when you use the magnet on them. I'm still kind of trying to work out how to use a magnet with cat eye nail polishes. I'm not like the best at trying to figure out design-wise what I should be doing. And also, the magnet I'm using sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. So I think I just need to be more patient. But I just really love these polishes so very much, and I have a couple of blue shifts. I think I ended up using, was it Deep Sea? I can't remember which color is on the screen right now. But there was another one called like Sea Blue, and it shifted more purple blue. This one was more of a green, blue, purple shift. I don't know, but the colors are just so unique and so fun, and like they feel really good. Like, these are only one coat. I think I only used one coat on these. And they give such a nice finish, a nice, very opaque finish. But I think that's also due to the fact that we put our rubber base down. And now, originally, I wanted to try and do something sort of representative of like soda. So after I did my finishing touches here, which realistically I probably didn't need to do, as you can see here, I'm putting down like an ombre, or trying to do an ombre. with all these nails here coming up. It didn't really work how I wanted it to, but I just kind of wanted the set to be reminiscent of soda, which I think I didn't necessarily pull off, in my opinion. I added some caviar beads towards the end to give like a bubbly sort of effect, and I didn't feel like coming inside to grab my Macard resin rhinestone glue, so I just ended up using top coat as my glue, which ended up being fine, except the caviar beads were sliding all over my nail, which I didn't capture on film because honestly it was a little embarrassing. So I tried like over and over to try and figure out what to do with the pink nail, and I think I got something down. But I thought that the green nail was my favorite, actually, because I really liked the shift from green to pink. I thought it was a really pretty shift. And it was actually, even though it's the one nail I think doesn't really fit in this set, it's my favorite nail. Because the other ones don't really have like the pink and the green, like just the apple green. They don't have like much of a shift color wise. They're very much just like pink into pink and green into green, whereas the other three nails, so the guava nail is on the pointer finger, and then the ring finger and the pinky have more of like color shift action going on. And I also tried, I think I tried to put a specific cat eye gel on the green nail, the middle finger, and it wasn't being magnetized very well, so it just is what it is. So here I'm just finishing off all of the nails and stuff, giving an ombre effect to each of them, which I think kind of detracts from the Born Pretty nails, the Born Pretty like polishes, unfortunately. But you know, it's an unplanned set. What are you gonna do? I just was going in without anything. I went in without a plan, like I said. So I just kind of was working with what I got. Went silent there because I'm like trying to watch the screen and see what's happening here. I tried to also figure out how long do I want these longer videos to be, because short form content is super easy to make, because you can make it like a minute long, or you can make it up to 3 minutes, because I think it's up to 3 minutes on YouTube now. But I'm trying to find like a happy medium between these longer videos and the shorter videos. But yeah, I just wanted to start trying my hand at applying like gems and things. So the caviar beads, this is the first time I've ever applied caviar beads to a nail set, like at all, period. And I'm just top coating every single nail because, like I said, I didn't feel like coming inside to get my McCart rhinestone glue. And I tried with some tweezers. These are usually tweezers that I use for sewing, to try and apply them. And I tried applying the smallest ones first and then working my way up to the bigger ones, but I got a little bit impatient, and I just ended up throwing whatever beads fit on without sliding around too much. And this is the final product. And honestly, I don't like this nail shape on my hand. I think I'd like a shorter nail on me. But what do you guys think? Would you wear something like this? Do you like the colors? How could I have done this differently? Just let me know in the comments below, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the future. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.